Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my learning channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we will discuss a short word which we use in our daily routine, let and let's. So without any delay, let's start. And now difference between let and let's. Let to allow or to take permission someone to do something. Let's when we work together or do something with someone. Now let's discuss some examples. Let me go. Let me see. Let me go there. Let me do the work. Let me play football. Let me write the letter. Let me read the book. Let me have some food. Let's. Let's go home. Let's go for a walk. Let's go to the party. Let's go to the garden. Let's help the poor man. Let's arrange a meeting. Let's meet the chairman. Let's go to the restaurant. Let's read more examples. Let's go inside. Let's go shopping. Let's go out for dinner. Let's help you. Let's take a break. Let's keep moving. Let's sing a song. Let's talk about that later. Let me check. Let me think. Let me go. I hope you will like my video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget like, subscribe, share. Take care. Allah Hafiz.